Welcome to Mr. Khan English Channel. Hi. I think we met before.
I don't think so.
You are Ruchika, right?
Oh, yes. But how do you know my name?
You used to live in Chicago 2 years ago.
Yes? But who are you?
I'm Rishi. I lived in the same apartment building.
Rishi?
Flat 302.
Oh my god. Flat 302.
Yes, and you were in 305.
Wait, are you the one who had a guitar?
Yes, I played every evening.
Yes, I remember now. You always complained about the noise.
I'm so sorry about that.
It's okay. It was funny.
I can't believe this.
Me too. What are the chances?
What are you doing in this city?
I came to visit my uncle. He lives here.
That's nice. And you? You moved here for work?
Yes, I got a new job here last year.
That's great. Congratulations.
Thank you. It was a big change for me.
Do you like this city?
Yes, but sometimes I miss Chicago.
Same here. I miss our old apartment.
And your loud guitar.
Hey, I play better now.
Really?
Yes, I even perform at small events.
Wow, that's amazing.
Thank you. What job do you do now?
I work in a marketing company.
That sounds interesting.
It is, but sometimes it's stressful.
I understand. Work can be hard.
What about you?
I'm finishing my studies.
That's good. Which subject?
Business management.
Nice choice.
I'm really happy to see you again.
Me too. It feels strange, but nice.
Do you still drink coffee every morning on the balcony?
You remember that?
Of course. I saw you many times.
That's funny.
Maybe we can have coffee again, but not on a balcony this time.
Maybe. Yes.
This is my floor.
Mine too. What a surprise meeting.
Life is full of surprises.
Can we stay in touch this time?
Yes, let's not lose contact again.
This balcony is really nice.
Yes, my uncle likes quiet places.
It feels peaceful here.
I come here when I want to think.
I understand that feeling.
So, how is your family?
They're good. My parents still live in Chicago.
Do you visit them often?
Not much. My job keeps me busy.
Same here. Life gets fast.
Do you live with your parents?
Yes, most of the time.
That's nice. They must miss you.
They do. My mother calls every day.
Mothers are the same everywhere.
True. What about siblings?
I have a younger brother.
Oh, really?
Yes, he's in college.
I have an elder sister. She's married.
Family changes so fast, but memories stay the same.
Like us meeting again after 2 years.
I'm still surprised about that.
Me too. It feels special.
I'm glad we talked today.
I'm glad too.
We shouldn't lose contact again.
Yes, I was thinking the same.
Can I have your number?
Of course.
I'll save it now.
I saved yours too.
Great.
Are you staying here long?
Just one more week.
Oh, that's short.
But we can meet before I leave.
Yes, that would be nice.
Maybe coffee or dinner.
Coffee sounds perfect.
There's a cafe near the river.
I like quiet places.
Then you'll love it.
When should we go?
Tomorrow evening.
Tomorrow sounds good.
I'll message you the time.
I'll be there.
Funny how life brings people back.
Yes, at the right moment.
I'm really happy we met again.
Me too, Ruchika.
This time, let's stay connected.
We will. I promise.
Then this balcony meeting was worth it.
Hello, Uncle. Good morning.
Good morning. Yes?
I am your neighbor from the next building.
Oh, I see. I don't think we have met before.
Yes, we never met. My name is Ruchika.
Nice to meet you, Ruchika.
Nice to meet you too, Uncle.
How can I help you?
Is Rishi at home?
Yes, he is. But how do you know him? He came here only yesterday.
We were neighbors 2 years ago in Chicago.
Really? That's surprising.
Yes, we met again yesterday in the lift.
Oh, so you are that girl he was talking about.
Was he talking about me?
Yes, he said he met an old friend.
That's nice to hear.
Please come inside.
Thank you, Uncle.
Sit down. Make yourself comfortable.
Thank you.
So, what do you do here?
I work in a software company in the city.
That's very good. And you? Do you live alone?
Yes, Uncle.
Rishi is staying with me for a few days.
That's good.
Ruchika, you're here?
Yes. I hope I didn't disturb you.
Not at all. I'm happy to see you.
I wanted to check if you settled here.
Yes. Slowly. It's a new city.
How long will you stay?
Maybe 2 weeks.
That's good.
Only if you become my guide.
Maybe I will.
I still can't believe you came here.
I was a little nervous.
Nervous? Why?
I didn't know how you would react.
I'm very happy.
Really?
Yes. Yesterday was a surprise. Today feels real.
That's sweet.
Please, sit down.
Thank you.
So, how is your new life?
Busy. New job, new city, new people.
That sounds stressful.
Sometimes it is.
Do you miss Chicago?
Yes, especially old friends like you.
You didn't forget me then.
Of course not. We should stay connected.
Yes,
Promise?
promise.
Coffee this weekend?
Yes. But you're paying.
Deal.
I should go now.
Okay. I'll walk you to the door.
I'm really glad you came.
Me too. See you soon.
Please sit down, Ruchika.
Thank you, Uncle.
Rishi went to take a call, so we can talk for a while.
Yes, Uncle.
Tell me about your family.
My parents are living in Delhi now.
What does your father do?
He works in a private company.
And your mother?
She is a teacher.
That's wonderful. Teaching is a very good profession.
Yes, she really loves her job.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one younger brother.
Is he studying?
Yes, he is in college.
Very good. Education is very important.
Yes, Uncle. My parents always say that.
And what about you? What do you do?
I work in a software company.
That sounds quite difficult.
Sometimes it is, but I enjoy learning new things.
That's the right attitude.
Thank you, Uncle.
Your English is very good. How did you learn it so well?
I practiced every day.
How did you practice?
I watched English movies with subtitles.
That's a smart method.
I also read small English stories.
Did you attend any classes?
Yes, I joined a spoken English course for 6 months.
Very good.
I also spoke English with my friends.
Practice is very important.
Yes, at first I was shy,
Many people feel shy in the beginning.
but I decided to improve myself.
That shows confidence.
I made many mistakes at the start.
Mistakes help us learn.
Yes, now I feel more comfortable speaking English.
I am proud of young people like you.
Thank you, Uncle. That means a lot to me.
Rishi also needs to practice more.
I can help him.
That would be good.
Uncle, how long have you been living here?
Almost 10 years.
You must know this city very well.
Yes, slowly I learned everything.
Just like I am learning English.
Exactly.
Thank you for talking with me, Uncle.
You are always welcome here.
That's very kind of you.
This house is open for good people.
I feel very comfortable here.
This city is bigger than you think.
Yes, it is very busy.
You will adjust slowly.
I feel a little lost here.
Don't worry, you will learn with time.
I don't even know good places yet.
That's why I'm here.
So you are my city guide now?
Yes, free service for 1 week.
That's great.
First advice, always check traffic before going out.
I noticed roads are very crowded.
And try local food. It is very tasty.
I love trying new food.
Good. I will show you a nice cafe tomorrow.
I'm already excited.
Also, keep some cash with you.
Why?
Some small shops don't accept cards.
Oh, that's useful advice. You are a very good guide.
Yes, I know. Do you like beaches?
Yes, I love the sea.
There is a beautiful beach nearby.
Really? I didn't know that.
It's about 20 minutes from here.
That sounds perfect.
The sunset there is amazing.
I really want to see it.
Then let's go this evening.
Today?
Yes, why not?
I'm ready.
We can walk near the water and eat ice cream.
Yes, and take photos too.
The beach makes everyone happy.
I needed something relaxing.
Then this is perfect for you.
Thank you for taking care of me in this new city.
You are not alone here.
That means a lot.
So meet at 6 p.m.
Yes, I'll be ready.
Don't be late.
I won't, I promise.
Good.
I'm really happy we met again.
Me too.
Today, beach. Tomorrow, cafe. This week is going to be special.
Let's make good memories.
This city is quite big.
Yes, I feel a bit lost here.
Don't worry, you will understand it slowly.
I don't even know good places here yet.
That's why I'm here.
So you are my city guide now?
Yes, free guide service for 1 week.
That's great.
First advice, always check traffic before going out.
I noticed the roads are very crowded.
And try local food. It is very tasty.
I love trying new food.
I will show you a nice cafe tomorrow.
I'm already excited.
Also, keep some cash with you.
Why?
Some small shops don't accept cards.
Oh, that's helpful advice. You are a good guide.
Yes, I know. Do you like beaches?
Of course, I love the sea.
There's a beautiful beach nearby.
Really? I didn't know that.
It is about 20 minutes from here.
That sounds perfect.
The sunset there is amazing.
I really want to see it.
Then let's go this evening.
Today?
Yes, why not?
I'm ready.
We can walk near the water and eat ice cream.
Yes, and take photos too.
The beach makes everyone happy.
I needed something relaxing.
Then this is perfect for you.
Thank you for taking care of me in this new city.
You are not alone here.
That means a lot.
So, meet at 6 p.m.
Yes, I'll be ready.
Don't be late.
I won't, I promise.
Good.
I'm really happy we met again.
Me too, Ruchika.
Today beach, tomorrow cafe. This week will be special.
Let's make good memories.